Do you feel like your time is slipping away from you? Well, in today's video, we'll learn how to get it back with these easy tips. Poor time management has become increasingly prevalent in our fast-paced lives. People who fail to manage their time effectively often struggle to complete tasks in a timely and efficient manner, leading to lower productivity or incomplete projects. However, this doesn't have to be the case. Effective time management is an essential skill that can help you maximize your potential and lead to more successful outcomes. This video will explore the causes of poor time management, its impact on our lives, and strategies for improving our ability to manage our time effectively. Causes of poor time management. One of the main reasons why people don't manage their time as well as they could is lack of effective planning. They fail to set realistic goals or plan out what needs to be done in order to get it done. This leads to procrastination and ultimately a feeling of being overwhelmed by all that needs to be done. Another common cause is difficulty staying focused. Without proper focus, it's easy for us to get off track and waste valuable time during the day, which could have been used more productively. Impact of poor time management. The consequences of not managing our time properly can be far-reaching, ranging from inability to meet deadlines and lower productivity, all the way up to burnout and stress, which can have serious effects on our health, as well as personal relationships with family and friends. It can also lead us down a path of frustration, because we know there's something missing, but we just can't seem able to figure out how best resolve it. Strategies for improving time management. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can implement in order to improve your ability at managing your own time better. Prioritize tasks. To make sure that you focus on the things that matter most first, commit yourself into creating a list with dotted lines between each task so you know exactly what needs doing next. Taking regular breaks during long working sessions will also ensure that you stay energized throughout the day, which will help keep you motivated and productive over longer periods of time. Break down tasks into smaller ones. Sometimes big jobs can seem very daunting when viewed from an overall perspective. Breaking them down into smaller chunks makes them easier both mentally and physically, so try whenever possible just break them into sections, so that even if one part isn't completed within a given time frame, there will still be enough progress made overall on other parts in order for everything else remain on track too. Use organization tools. Utilizing organizational tools such as calendars or scheduling apps like Evernote or Wunderlist give us insight into ongoing tasks, as well as a better understanding on how much work needs completing by certain dates. Writing lists also helps us stay focused on objectives without getting distracted. Finally, using reminders on phones/computers ensures that we are always reminded about upcoming obligations come back at assigned times too. Conclusion. Properly managing our own personal time is essential if we wish to reach our full potential in both professional career and life endeavors alike. Taking a proactive approach towards organizing and streamlining workflow through implementation of some simple techniques discussed above, as well as others, gives individuals valuable extra hours per week, allowing them greater flexibility with regards activities they would like partake upon, while successfully meeting priorities head-on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in our next video.